Welcome to our channel. If you want to create your own cryptocurrency token, follow these step-by-step instructions to launch your digital asset on the blockchain. Step 1. Decide which blockchain platform to use for your token. Popular choices include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, or Solana based on fees and features. Step 2. Define your token's purpose, total supply, distribution method, and utility within your ecosystem. Create a clear white paper explaining these details. Step 3. Choose between creating a fungible token using standards like ERC20 on Ethereum or a non-fungible token using standards like ERC721 for unique assets. Step 4. Write or use a template smart contract for your token. If you're not a developer, use platforms like Token Mint, CoinTool, or hire a blockchain developer. Step 5. Set your token parameters including name, symbol, decimal places, total supply, and any special features like burning, minting, or staking capabilities. Step 6. Test your token thoroughly on a testnet before deploying to mainnet. This allows you to identify and fix bugs without risking real money. Step 7. Deploy your token to the mainnet by paying the required gas fees. You'll receive a contract address that identifies your token on the blockchain. Step 8. List your token on decentralized exchanges, create liquidity pools, and promote your project through social media and crypto communities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.